Hello everybody! Welcome to my first ever tutorial video. Today's video topic will be how to set up your VTuber Nvidia tracking. As many of you already know, Vbridger just had a major update. Version 1.1 has brought more flexibility and overall use for webcam VTubers. Unfortunately, with this new version comes new bugs, but don't worry. Over time, more tutorial videos will be posted by fellow VTubers. If you have any other questions that you can't find videos on, you can always join the Vbridger Discord. The link is in the description down below. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. This tutorial is specifically for Nvidia tracking with a webcam. The only applications I'm covering will be VTube Studio and Vbridger. First things first. Make sure your VTube Studio accepts plugins. Double-click inside your VTube Studio app. From there, go to your settings and scroll down to the tab that says VTube Studio Plugins. Click Start API. From there, go to your Vbridger and click Connect. After that, go back to your VTube Studio and click Allow. Now, if you check your custom parameters, you should have all of your Vbridger custom parameters. Now it's time for camera settings and locating VTube Studio. Make sure your camera is turned off in VTube Studio. You want Vbridger to have priority over your camera. From here, go into Vbridger, go into Settings, and set up your camera. Setting up your microphone is optional. From here, you're going to want to locate VTube Studio. Locate your VTube Studio file in your File Explorer, and once you've located it, click Select Folder. Then, close out of your settings, and make sure that you have Nvidia tracking selected. Once you do that, click Start, and make sure that your model is working in Vbridger. You can also make sure that it's working in VTube Studio. If you're having issues with your model's eyes not tracking, here's what I did. Go into your Vbridger and locate your eye X and eye Y parameters. If they both read as eye right X or eye right Y, or eye left X or eye left Y, then your parameters in VTube Studio need to be set the same. Both of my parameters here are set to my right eye. If you're having issues with your eyes moving strangely, say you're moving your eyes to the left but your model is moving their eyes to the right, and you want it to be the other way around, click on eye right X, then click on Output Curves, and change your output curve to the curve that you want it to be. Hello? Why isn't it working? There we go. My bad. So originally the curve is this one, but if you want it to be mirrored, then you click on the mirrored image. If you have already located your VTube Studio files, but you load your Vbridger and it tells you VTube Studio path not found, fix in settings, try to change your tracking device first. Switch it to any other device and then switch back to Nvidia tracking. If you notice that your model's movement is stuttering some, or looks jittery, try going into your cam settings. Go to camera control and disable low light compensation. That typically works for me. Hope this helped.